Mockingbirds are badass.
Mockingbirds are badass.
Mockingbirds are the MCs.
Of the animal kingdom.
They listen
And mimic.
and remix.
What they like.
They rock the mic. Outside of my window each morning, I can hear them sing.
The sounds of the car alarms like they were songs of spring.
I mean, if you could talk it,
a mockingbird can squawk it.
So check it. I'm gonna catch mockingbirds.
I'm gonna catch mockingbirds.
I'm going to trap mockingbirds all across this nation and place them gently into mason jars like
Mockingbird Molotov cocktails.
And I'll take a mockingbird I caught, say, in a neighborhood where folks got
a lot of.
And I'll release it in a neighborhood where folks ain't
got
nada.
nada.
And just let it go, you know?
Out go the birds.
Out come the words.
A free bird leaps onto the back of the wind and floats downstream until current ends and dips her wings into the orange sun rays and dares to claim the sky. But a bird that stalks down her cage can barely see through her bars of rage. Her wings are clipped. Her feet are tied. So she opens her throat to sing. A caged bird sings. With a fearful trill of things unknown but longed for still. But her tune is heard on a distant hill, for a caged bird sings of freedom.
I'm gonna be the Johnny Appleseed of sounds, cruising random interstates and city streets, rocking a drop-top caddy with a big back seat, packing like 13 brown paper Walmart bags.
Of mockingbirds.
And I'll get everybody. I'll get the nitwit on the network news saying,
We'll be back in a moment with more on the crisis.
I'll get some asshole at Starlight on 22nd asking,
What brand the ice is.
I'll get the lady at the laundromat who always seems to know.
What being nice is.
I'll get your postman.
Making dinner plans.
I'll get the last time you lied.
I'll get damn it, kids, it's bedtime.
I'll get a lonely little sentence with some real bad judgment in it.
I guess you could come inside, but just for a minute.
I'll get an ESL class in Chinatown learning.
It's raining, it's pouring.
I'll put a mockingbird in the late night light rail just to catch an old man snoring. I'll get your ex-lover.
Wishing someone else good morning.
You do not have to be good. You do not have to walk on your knees through 1,000 miles to the desert repenting. You only have to let the soft animal of your body love what it loves. Tell me about despair, yours, and I will tell you mine. But meanwhile, the world moves on. Meanwhile, the sun and the clear pebbles of the rain are moving across the landscapes, over the prairies and the deep trees. Meanwhile, the wild geese, high in the clean blue air, are heading home again. Whoever you are, no matter how lonely, this world, it offers itself to your imagination. It calls to you like the wild geese, harsh and exciting, over and over, announcing your place in the family of things.
Because I'll get everyone's good mornings, and I don't care how you make them. Aloha, konnichiwa, shalom, namaste.
I'll get uptown gurus.
Downtown teachers.
Get broke-ass artists and dealers.
And Filipino preachers.
I'll get leaf blowers, bartenders.
And boob job doctors.
Forget those hooligans.
Garbage men.
Your local congressmen.
And the spotlight in the skies with the overhead helicopters.
Everybody gets heard. Everybody gets this one honest mockingbird as a witness.
The free bird thinks of another breeze, and the trade winds soft through the sighing trees. Oh, and the fat worms on dawn bright lawns, mwah, and claims the sky her own. But a caged bird stands on the shadow of graves. Her shadow shouts on a nightmare's scream. Her wings are clipped. Her feet are tied. So she opens her throat to sing. A caged bird sings with a fearful trill of things unknown for. But longed for. Still, her tune is heard on a distant hill. For a caged bird sings of freedom.
I am on this. I am on this until the whole thing spreads with chat rooms and copycats and moms maybe tucking kids into bed saying,
Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Wait for the man with a mockingbird.
and then come the news crews.
The news crews.
And the man on the street interviews. And the letters to the editor. Everybody asking
just who is responsible for the citywide, nationwide mockingbird cacophony?
And then finally, somebody is going to tip the city council of Charlotte, North Carolina off to me. And they will offer me a key to the city.
A gold-plated, oversized key to the city?
And that is all I need. Because if I can have that, I can unlock the air. Listen to what's missing.
And we'll put it there.